Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One. In this video I will be container gardening and I want to show you the before and after. So I gotta get it together, so bear with me. This year I will be container gardening in milk crates. So look at that. I got a lot to do. I also will be using big containers like these to plant multiple ones that are compatible with each other. Last year, I don't know if you can tell, but I had some pepper plants in here. So, well, chili peppers. And those are the ones that kind of didn't make it. Now, over here, I'll be planting something in here. Now, these ones are like the stackable ones, but they might get thrown out. And also, normally this one here, like I said, I got a lot of cleaning to do. But normally here, this is going to be like my herbs and stuff. And this was parsley that was grown, kept growing back multiple years. So hopefully, I don't think it's going to grow back this year because look at it. And I have this plant where I attempt to grow garlic, but as you can see, the garlic died. Okay, it didn't make it. It's right there. So these are some of the containers I plan on gardening in, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, and leave a comment. And hopefully you container garden with me also. You have a great day. Also guys, I'm just waiting for the last day of frost in my area to be gone so I can plant more. Well, I can actually start, not plant more, so I can actually start. So hopefully this was helpful.